Third eye. What if it were that by getting used to looking with the mind instead of the eyes, this organ had been formed in the curves of the human evolution? Any absurdity can be recreated with thought, even in a hypothetical new feature of our mind, like a third eye. Let's dispel this myth. It is not the pineal gland. As far as this gland may have all the characteristics to be attributed to an eye, Egyptian culture tells us that it makes no reference to this but symbolizes a completely different meaning. The question is of a very high connection with the energies dispersed in the environment that light up every time they are unstable, stability that can only be maintained by our thinking, that in a reasoning thought and mental stability preserve the nature of things or changes them at will in other circumstances. Their identity, their atomic structure is questioned. Alarmed, turn on the big screen. These energies also possess the feature of purity. In the purity of those energies there is everything. Here we can see the images, a purity that can be traced back to the moral integrity at the origin of that energy, of that thought. The fact that we are able to see these images simultaneously with these energies will be due to the purity of our mind and the purity of the energies in our mind and surrounding our mind. Energies that are qualitatively similar, equal to the energies that are in the environment. Seeing a target where the energies are turned on in the environment, in the whole, in the same way ours do, since they are connected as so lights up. It's the double screen theory. Functionality, due to the properties of energy, exploits the liquid crystalline properties of the same energies, just like liquid crystals. Energies that change colors and adapt to show us certain images. Our mind that wonderfully takes on the functionality of a magical crystal ball. It is a doubling of the screen where the images are reproduced. If those energies have seen a target for one reason or another, for any reason, when they see those images, in the same way they are reproduced in our mind, because in our mind we possess energies of the same quality as the first ones. In the same way, all the connected minds will be able to see the same images if those energies will be present in their minds. Third eye is the organ to which the functions of looking beyond the sense of sight, beyond normal sight are attributed, but it is not exactly like this. Point number one, to be interested in this supernatural power will be the whole frontal and prefrontal area, therefore a large part of the brain, but only in conditions of purity of spirit, of the energy stored in the brain, beyond the barrier of darkness. Point number two, a lot of confusion is made between the pineal gland and the front of our brain, the focus point, precisely in the frontal longitudinal fissure, where our mental energies are focused. The point of concentration, which if known how to grow it, allows us different functions. A third eye that is not only related to clairvoyance and brain vision, but it is the focal point of our mental energies, the point of concentration. Focusing energies on this area also helps in rejecting other exogenous energies that would affect the mind, therefore a shield. Let's make this clear. It's a question of energies, with the frontal area acting as a guide for our concentration, for a well-aligned body and spirit structure. Dear, look, the television of the future has arrived.
What about that old crystal ball you have in the garage? Are you still going to use it?
I don't know, now we got technology doing it.